Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Indian Air Force Group C Civilian Recruitment 2021 Notification 1 and 2. JC Nagar Bangalore Air Force Station Ebbala results update. So let's start our video to see more details about the results and skill test details. And friends, it's my humble request, please do subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends who are eagerly waiting for JC Nagar results update. And don't skip this video, please watch, and I have covered so many of details regarding everything. Let's start our video. Friends, I know that everyone are little confused about the Air Force Station location in Bangalore. In Bangalore, we can see more Air Force Station locations, which is Jalali East and Jalali West, JC Nagar, Ebbala Air Force Station, Yelahanka Air Force Station. We have more than 5 Air Force Station in Bangalore. So in the screen, you can see Air Force Station which is related to JC Nagar, which is called as Ebbala Air Force Station. Like, I know that you have attended the examination for JC Nagar post in Jalali East Center. So due to some examination space covering, they have been conducted this examination at in Jalali East. So don't confuse. So have a look on your admit card, which is like written examination admit card. You can see in the top JC Nagar post Ebbala Bangalore location. Now let's see more details about the written examination results. In the written examination, people who are qualified for skill test from JC Nagar Ebbala Air Force Station admin department started sending email and text message to the candidates for qualified candidates. And also I think they will send post for admit card through speed post, but I am not sure about that. In the screen you guys can see the email which was sent by JC Nagar Air Force Station team for qualified candidates. On the day of skill test, you have to show this email or text message which was sent by Air Force Station team. For in the document verification time, you have to show this email to attend the skill test. In the screen you can see refer your application in response to advertisement employment news date on 03 April. You have written the trade test conducted on 28th October 21. You have been shortlisted for skill test. The details follows. Trade MTS date of skill test 18th December 21. So skill test will be on 18th December 2021. Time of reporting in the morning 8:30 am. Venue HQTC Air Force Station Mekri Circle. This is the location where we can see Ebbala Air Force Station location. I know that you have attended the examination at Jalali East Center. So for the skill test, they are calling candidates to the Mekri Circle JC Nagar post. This is a Ebbala Air Force Station location in Bangalore. And you have to bring the call letter. I think they will send you the admit card as well as through speed post. Don't worry about that. If you are not getting any call letter from the Air Force Station, you can show this email or text message with the Air Force Station team. And don't forget to carry all your education, qualification certificate, experience certificate, Aadhaar card. Okay. Friends, you can see one more intimation from the JC Nagar Air Force Station Ebbala. So this is a normal text intimation from the Air Force Station. Reference test for MTS on 28th October 2021 and HQTC kindly attend the skill test on 18th of December 2021 at 8:30 in the morning. And this is the text message regarding skill test intimation for selected candidates in written examination at the location of JC Nagar Air Force Station. Friends, if anyone still have any doubts regarding Group C civilian recruitment, about the job, about the skill test, about the written examination, about the promotion part, salary, uniform, job transfer, you can comment in below comment section so that I can try to resolve your queries through coming live in YouTube, so that your doubts will be cleared, I guess. So thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe and share this video with your friends for more updates about the results and more. Thank you so much.